Hi! Another delicious breakfast I'm gonna do today. It's fried green peas with eggs. For this breakfast, I would need 1 onion, 2 cans of green peas. Over here, I already opened the two cans of green peas and rinsed under the water. Olive oil, about 4 tablespoons, and 4 or 5 eggs. So I'm gonna cut the onions. So it's supposed to be fine cut, like we basically chopping onion. On the frying pan, we put in oil, and we're gonna fry onion. I decided to add about 50 grams of butter, unsalted butter. Frying onion until it's gonna start turning golden color. Turning golden color already, so a little bit more, and I'm gonna put green peas on top of the onion and fry together. Almost. Now it's time to put green peas. We're gonna fry together like that. Adding salt and pepper. We like pepper, so I'm putting a little bit more pepper. I like spicy. And frying like that. And frying a little bit more. While our green peas is frying, I'm gonna mix the eggs. So I broke eggs over here, adding just a little bit of salt because there is a salt also in the green peas. And I'm just gonna break it. Okay, I'm adding eggs. I'm not gonna touch it until the eggs will it wouldn't be so loose. Now we can start. Oh, what a smell. This is really, really good for breakfast. If you don't like put egg on top of the green peas, make separately. It's totally up to you. Like my youngest son loves like that. My husband loves separately. So it's totally up to you. Oh, look how delicious coming out. Done. Now I'm gonna put on the plate. I love it. Last touch, just a couple of branches of dill. I'm gonna put on top just a little bit. You like it? Looks beautiful, right? Try it. Taste is amazing. All set for today. Try do for your family this breakfast. Enjoy. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, ask questions, I'm gonna answer them. Write the comments. See you soon.